Merry meet everyone, this is Shiv Shakti and I'm here to give you your weekly reading. It is a lovely reading and it has a lot of power to understand the self. So Monday and Tuesday, it's the Empress, the number 3. 3 is a very magical number. It rules a lot of things in our lives. If I go into that, that'll be an hour-long video. But the card that's come up is talking to us about abundance, about fertility, about new ideas, new projects coming to the fore. And it is a Monday, so it's a great day to start something new. Another thing is that there is a lot of abundance around you and everything that you need is right there with you. Do not fear the lack of anything. Something will not come, or the fact that maybe I'm not equipped enough to do something. No, this card is telling you that you are. Be man or woman, the goddess within you is providing for everything that you need. The divine within you has started talking about it and started showing you that everything that you need, you have within you. And no matter what, Monday and Tuesday, you will recognize it and you will start using it full power. So that's one amazing, amazing set of days. Wednesday. The 10 of Wands. Energy is going to be slightly low on Wednesday, but I understand why. Because the minute you become efficient at doing things like this, other people start depending on you. So suddenly it's not just your worries and your burdens that you're carrying, you're also carrying someone else's burdens. And if you're someone who's a giver, an empath, or anything of that sort, it comes very naturally to people to burden you, and it comes very naturally for you to take their burdens. So I would suggest that Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, be very careful of what it is that you're actually taking on. No matter how magical the world may seem, yes, there can be potential of you taking on someone else's work. Do not do that to yourself, because this newfound power that you have realized within you, or rather the old power that you found anew something like that. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to be very careful about what you're taking on. If it's yours, you take it on. If it's not, you do not take it on, full stop. There is no drama between, but I can do this for someone, I can do that for someone. You can do a million somethings, a million thises and that's for everyone. But the fact is, do you need to do it? Is it so important that you got to put your energy down and put someone else's burdens, on top of that? Ask yourself this question. And if it is important, why? Why is it important for you to carry someone else's burden, not allowing them to do their own work? Think about this. Yeah, that's Wednesday for you. Now Thursday and Friday. It's the 5 of Swords. After Wednesday could be low energy, like you're tired and you don't know what to do. From the body energy, now we go on to the mental energy. The 5 of Swords, basically, when I was taught, was called domination and submission. Right? So either you dominate the situation or you submit to the situation. What I'm seeing here is that the domination and the submission is happening within you. You have to come to a phase where you're understanding that I am going to do this for myself. I am going to plan this, and this is exactly what I want. So I will take myself in that direction and not think that I can't do this. Will I be able to do it? How do you think I'll be able to do this? No, not at all. It's just about, this is how I'm going to go in that direction and this is how it's going to happen. The end. You have to stand up and you have to learn to dominate if it's necessary. Otherwise, you've got to learn to level your field. Thursday and Friday are 2 days where you're going to have to learn to level the field for yourself. It does not need to be a competition. There is enough and plenty for everyone, and everyone is going to have what they need. You do not need to steal it off someone, right? Or grab it from someone else. Not necessary at all. So that's Friday for you, and that's the entire week. And the Sacred Path card is just, it fits in so beautifully. It says it's a field of plenty. This basically talks about exactly what the goddess is talking about, the empress is talking about. It is saying that you have everything you need, ideas and needs manifested. It says great spirit holds all of us very dear to itself, and that is why it is always providing us with everything that we ever will need, no matter what. We just have to learn how to ask right, and the minute we start asking right, we will start receiving. And the best way to ask right is to give gratitude, to give thanks for already having what we think we want and don't have. Make sense? I think so. So basically, if you want something, when you want something, instead of saying, oh my god, no, how will I get it, when will I get it, what do I need to do to get it, very simple. Just give gratitude for having it already, and it shall come. It shall come, and it is waiting to come, just waiting for you to give gratitude. And the minute you give that gratitude, it's going to be yours. It's as simple as that. That's Field of Plenty in a nutshell for you, and I think it covers the entire week beautifully. So have a great week, and tell me under this link how it feels to you, and I will come back and see you on the weekend. Love you guys. Take care. Bye bye.